put air in the tires, and that's it. If you have more pressure, you just press that thing right there and releases the air. Okay, so we just wait. I guess we can go full speed now. Okay, let's go full speed. Okay, again, we look for the water. If there's water coming, we turn off the valve and deal with it. And also a good idea, just in case, you know, because we're not professionals. I am not a professional. Just in case, I'm gonna hook up this guy right here, just in case something unexpected comes and we need to drain it really fast, you know, that just in case. Okay, now we're gonna go back in the bathroom. There should be a lot of air coming out of that faucet. Let's see. Okay, right there. See right there? Oh damn. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna change the faucet. Malika, let's use this guy. Oh, okay. So when we're gonna have water, straight water coming out of air, that's when it's done. Okay, so by the sound, I think it's getting full by the sound, but keep in mind, not necessarily just okay, so this guy has to get filled up, and also the entire system in the house. Oh, what the fuck was that? Oh, sorry guys, excuse me, my language. That sounds like air. No more water. Okay. Oh. Okay, turn it off. Da. Okay, so supposedly we should have water coming. No air. See? So this means our system is filled with water. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and turn on the gas. Now this is I guess the main part where everybody freaks out, because you know it's gas and but okay, so no water. It's extremely important to make sure no water there, no water there, no water here. And again guys, if you have water, just tighten this stuff. If you tighten to a point that you can't tighten anymore and there's still water, then you know, turn it off everything, turn off the water, and drain this guy, as I told you in the beginning. Drain until you know there's no water coming from here, just like air, with maybe air and water. It means the level is gonna be here, because you don't need to drain it, don't need to waste water. And then remove everything, put more Teflon tape or less, whatever, you know, and do the same procedure all over again until you do not have water. So now, okay, I'm gonna take a second to read how to play with this guy. Okay guys, so I did read the instructions, should be pretty easy. Now, before you start that, you turn on the gas, which right now is on. Off is that. And you wait a little bit, that's what I did, and I've been smelling around like here and there. And if you feel a gas smell, it means you need to tie this stuff up. Like in my case, I don't feel any smell. Let's assume my nose doesn't work properly. So I used a bottle of water and dish soap. I sprayed, no bubbles. Just in case I didn't use enough soap, I put some, sorry for the details, but I did put some spit here, like, you know, the good old-fashioned days when your soccer ball was losing air. You spit on it and see where the hole is. So I did put here, I did put there. There's not much. Nothing happens. I mean, so supposedly we're good to go. We're gonna remove this guy because we need that stuff right there to make sure we have light or not, fire or not going on. So just put it right there. So technically you put this guy on pilot, you press it down, that releases the air, and you just press this guy. 1, 2. Thing works. The light is on. You can see the fire is on. Supposedly in about half hour we should have hot water. I'll just leave this stuff here as is. Now guys, I'm still here. This thing still burns. No water. No water. This guy is hot. Hopefully that's how it should be. Okay. While I'm waiting to, I want to test the vent though. I looked at a video online. You put a match here and it needs to suck the smoke from the match. It means everything works properly. In the meantime, while I'm waiting, don't forget about these two parts, the snack and the drink, and also even just read the warranty just in case, you know. And I'll get also give it another smell. There's no gas smelling, so that's good. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna test the vent, all that stuff. So hope everything goes well. I do freak out a little bit, honestly, because, you know, first time doing this thing, like playing with water and gas, but honestly not a big deal. And I expect it's gonna be one more. I mean, in the last part of the video, I'm gonna tell you how much time it took me, all this stuff. So, by the way, you see this one, this release pressure, this is probably mandatory to be done before all this stuff. You turn on the gas and water. I did not do it because I have that compressor, the tank right there. But I still need to hook up this one to that one. In my case, it goes right there. In your case, there may be a drain or you just put it in a bucket, you know. But I skip this because I need hot water right now. I have my kids needs to take a shower. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this later. But for now, I need to check the vent, see if everything goes well. Now, guys, I want to show you how you test the fan. So you turn on in your house or apartment all this fan appliances like I have here. I have in my awesome bathroom right there and upstairs. So turn on all of them. Just 1 second, baby. If you have gas appliance, you turn on the gas. I don't have gas appliance. You do not touch the fireplace though, okay? So, Emilia, just a sec. So you do that, and after like about 5 minutes while this thing works, you can test if the fan works properly, the vent. So I'm gonna show you how you do it. You get a match. Okay, hold on. Okay, we're gonna light up the match just like that. Okay, and let it burn a little bit. And I'm gonna blow, and we should see the smoke going inside there. Well, you can see. Man. Okay. I'll do it again really fast. Hold on. It's complicated to work with one hand. Hold on. Come on, dude. By the way, this thing right here, it's hot, so just be careful. Okay. So again, just be careful. Okay, I'm not gonna do too many. Okay, let's see. See right there, kind of went, kind of not really. I don't know. Kind of went, but I hope it's good. Okay, guys. So the last part of this video, the heater just turned it off, so it means we have hot water in the system. Let's go check it out. So again, no leaks, no leaks, no leaks. This is warm, that's not hot. Probably I'm gonna have to go slightly higher because there's different kind of temperatures. But let's go check it out. Okay. Let's check it out, the hot water. Well, you guys, I must say we nailed it. We have hot water. Well, not super hot. We have warm water. I'm gonna go make that thing hotter. I'm gonna go adjust the temperature a little bit higher. So supposedly, I don't know, if I'm gonna go to A, it should, the flame should pop out. Let's see. Yep, that's the one. Okay. Okay, so you see, I did start to work on those stuff. I was just gonna have to connect them, but that's about it, you guys. Again, in few words, keep in mind, when you work, take your time, don't rush it, follow the steps. You know, if you need to move stuff around, move around, don't touch this guy, it's hot. You know, stuff like that. Honestly, not complicated at all, like at all. Again, zero plumbing skills, zero. If you need to replace any parts, go replace it. If you can reuse it, reuse it. I reused everything except this guy right here. So this is used, you know, that's used, well, that's brand new because mine was bad. Oh, by the way, the way you figure out if it's bad, remember when I show you guys how you test the pressure? If you press it and water comes out of it, it's bad. That's it. You need to get rid of it. So that was my case. So I removed, that's a new one, and that's it. Took me, guys, almost like no experience, right? Almost 3 hours. And that's with me holding the phone and like doing the videos and, you know, so 3 hours. Oh, plus going to Home Depot twice for like that thing right there, for the, well, not twice, one time. So, you know, I bought this thing, so I went to Home Depot like one time going there. So, you know, 3 hours. How much would you pay for the labor for a plumber? I don't know. But I assume quite a bit. Plus, you know, they charge, you know, like a instant fee or whatever they call it. But again, it's up to you guys. You wanna do it yourself as I did, you're more than welcome. You feel more comfortable bringing a plumber, you're more than welcome. This is just a video to show you how I did it. And that's about it. If you guys like the video, please subscribe, you know, thumbs up, thumbs down if you guys didn't like it. If you guys did like my accent, thumbs up. If you guys didn't like my accent, work on your own accent, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, well, yes, hopefully it's gonna last. That's the thing, because I don't feel like I want to do it again. Okay, until next time.